Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I'm going to be talking to you about affiliate marketing statistics. Yeah, the numbers that you actually need to know for this affiliate marketing game. You know, firstly, I just want you to realize how much money is in this industry. The affiliate marketing is a $12 billion with a B dollar industry. So there's a lot of money to be made in this, but there's a few things you have to do correctly. I'm not really just going to talk to you about the money in the industry. There's obviously money in there. There's so many people making money from this, but I'm going to talk to you about the numbers of the actual on the ground numbers that you need for the things that you're going to need to be doing in affiliate marketing. All will be explained in a second, but don't worry. You know, people hear numbers and they're like, oh my God, no, and they switch off. Just wait a second, because you're going to be learning the exact things that you need. This might be one of the reasons that you may have been struggling with this. This is a numbers game, and you need to know the numbers. It's just essential. You need to know the numbers. Yeah. So hang tight, hang with me. If anything does get a little bit confusing, just, you know, leave any sort of comments leave any questions in the comments box below, and I'll get round to personally answering them myself. So, you know, don't worry. Any sort of problems, anything you're struggling with, you can leave it in the comments below. All right, so let's get started, and let me explain exactly what I mean by this statistics. Yeah, so when you get started in affiliate marketing, what you typically need, you need a product. Yeah, you need a product. I say find a product that you like, something that's easy to sell, something that you like, maybe something you bought yourself. I recommend you should buy it so you can actually look in it, even if you just buy the front end product. Yeah, so this is one of the things that I promote. It's $39. If you're interested in having a look at it, I'll leave a link below. But this is what we call the sales page. Yeah, so this is the page that they use to sell it with. What you're going to need, there's various stages to it. We have what we call an opt-in page, which I'm going to go through all of that. Yeah, so that's the first point of call that people come to. Yeah, so you have an opt-in page, and then you have the sales page, and then hopefully we build some sort of a list. So it's important in this game that you build a list. I think it's very, very important. I know people tell you don't need a list. You definitely still need a list. Up to this point, you do need a list, because that's how you keep in contact with people. That's how you build value with people. That's how you build relationships with people. And that's how then people trust you and they buy off you. So it's very important. You got to get that into your head. It's very, very important. You usually build an email list. I recommend an email list, but any sort of platform that you're using, you're building a list. Even if I'm using YouTube, the subscribers are like my list. Yeah, they get told when I put videos out there. If you're using Facebook, you're gradually building a list of people that follow you, or, you know, your friends on there. You're building a list, or maybe you're using a Facebook bot like ManyChat, and you're building a list, and you can send people messages that way, or Instagram, but you're building some sort of a list. Yeah, you're getting traffic and people are finding you, and you're building a list. Yeah. So let's get down to the numbers. So the first thing then, once you do get people, when you start to get people, you know, somehow via traffic, any way that I've just spoken about, maybe YouTube, maybe Facebook, you know, whatever, Instagram, you're building a list of people that are following you and listening to you. Yeah. And then you send them to what we call an opt-in page. This is the first page that you get. It's usually you're asking them for their email address in exchange for something that they want. In this actual program that I promote, that I was telling you about, they give you this to promote. So they allow you to give away a free download for something that, if somebody's in this niche, if somebody's looking to make money online, then this is a good giveaway. Yeah, it's a millionaire shortcut ebook. It's actually a really, really good ebook. And, you know, again, if you're interested in it, there'll be a link below this. But this is not why I'm doing this. I'm just trying to show you that you have to give something in exchange for that email address. Yeah. Either you say something like this, or here's another opt-in page that I use. Yeah. And what they get here is they get a video. They get a video of me talking them through exactly what they need to make this system work. And this is the first video of a series that they get, that I talk them through exactly what they need. So you're giving away something in return for that email address. Here, they will click there, they will put their first name, and they'll put their email address. Now, here's where the first numbers start then. So firstly, you want to be converting at about 50%, 40 to 50%, I say. If you're doing 40%, it's still good. If you're doing 50%, that's really where you want to be at. So if I'm sending 100 people to this page, however I'm doing it. Even if I'm paying, say I'm paying for traffic, and I'm not talking about solo ads here though, because solo ads don't convert. They might convert, like people, tons of people might opt in, but not, the next bit won't convert at the same numbers. So say you're doing Bing, you're doing Bing advertising, and you're sending people from Bing to this page here. You want, say you send 100 people here, you want to convert at 50%. You want, so 50 of those people opt in and they go onto your list. Yeah, that's what the numbers you want to aim for, really. Yeah, so now I've got 50 people on this list. Now, after they come here and they're given their email address, then they get sent to here. This is the sales page. Yeah, so what you don't want to just send people directly to the sales page. You want to get their email address, because then you can build a relationship. And that's the most important bit of this, because most people, when they get here, they won't buy on the first time. It's very, very rare you'll get someone to buy on the first time. Usually they need to see this 7 to 10 times before they're prepared to buy. And so you're going to need to then, when you got their email address, you're going to need to then give them some value and then send them to this page again, and then give them back and continue to give value and keep sending them back to the sales page, you know. And this is where people panic. They think, oh, I don't want to make videos. I don't want to do all this stuff. You don't necessarily even have to give your own value on this list, to the list. If you see something, say you see a Facebook page or a Facebook post that you really like, you can tell your list about it. Say you see a video. I used to have a list, and every morning I would send them an inspirational video by somebody else, by Jim Rohn or someone, one of these inspirational speakers. But you're still building value. They still have a little association to where they learnt about this from. It was from you. So they have some sort of warmth in their heart for you. You're still building a relationship with them. So eventually when you do say to them, oh, why don't you go and have a look at this product here? They're more than likely to at least come and have a look at it. Do you know? So that's why building a list is important. Get the numbers right for building your list, and then also keeping value with the list. However you do that, even if you just write, you could write an email. You could write an email telling them about your day and or even telling them about your first ever sale. You got a $1 sale and you're really excited about it, and this is what you've done to get the sale. People are interested in that. What you don't want to do is when you get a list, you get people opting on this page, and then you just send them to this page, and then every single day you just bombard them. Go back to my page and buy. Go back to this page and buy. Go back. Eventually people won't listen to you. They'll opt off. Yeah. So now the numbers for this page now. So what we say, if you can get 100 people to this page, you should convert 1 sale. Yeah, so this is where people go a little wrong. They think, why am I not getting sales? Why am I not getting sales? It's because you got 10 people to, you know, in the whole month, you got 10 people to come to this page. Your job is to get as many people to this page. 100 people, if you get 100 people, you usually get 1 sale. This is with decent traffic. I'm talking like, we were talking about Bing. Yeah, I'm not talking about solo ads. Solo ads makes the numbers goes down. Usually you'd need 200 people to get to this page. And imagine solo ads for 200, just say for 200 clicks, you're paying $200, and this sells at, was it $39? So you're actually running at a loss. So you need to really know how to build value with that list to make them keep coming back and buying. So that's why I'm not talking about solo ad numbers. I'm talking about if you're generating your traffic somehow, maybe Bing, yeah, and you're sending 100 odd people get to this page, you will get 1 sale. That's good numbers. If you're getting 2 or anywhere between 2 and 5, then that's really good. You know, you're really building good value with the list. Your videos are good. Things are really converting. But 1 in 100 is good numbers. If you're converting at 1 in 100, that's usually what decent marketers convert at. Yeah. And then as you get better, you'll convert better. You know, you can then maybe you'll start to do videos, or your posts get better. Your Instagram posts get better. So more people are listening to you and coming back to this page. Then your numbers might go up. But initially aim for 1 in 100. And then now you have that one person that's now a buyer. Now you're building a buyer's list. Now people that have bought off you. Now say you've got 100 people that have bought something off you before. Now the chances of them buying something else off you now goes up drastically now. Now out of 100 buyers now, the conversion rate now is 10%. So if you send 100 people that have bought something off you before to another page, even if it's a high price page, like ask them to buy something for $1,000, usually about 10 of them will do that. You know, so that just shows once people buy off you and they like the buying experience, they don't feel like they've been scammed, they don't feel like, you know, you've just come and taken their money and they never see you again, then the chances of them buying off you then get even higher. So you see, you can see from this, it's a numbers game. It's a numbers game. It's meaning getting the most people to this page as possible. Trying to get your numbers to about 50% to convert on this page. That's where you really want to get to. So you would change your headlines. You might change a few things. You might put some bullet points. This is one of the ones I've done. Like, you know, I've tested this, I've tweaked it, and then eventually you start to see the numbers go up. You might take examples of what other people are doing, you know, but don't copy other people, obviously, but take examples and tweak, maybe change the colors, change things till you finally get to that between 40 and 50%. If you get to 40%, that's really good numbers, you know. And then, so you've got the numbers high on this page, and then you want to get as many people to this page, 100 people to this page, so you get that one sale, you know, maybe if you get 100 people a week, so you get one sale a week from this. And then, like we said, you start building a buyers list, and then it just all snowballs. That's kind of how it works, you know. So I hope that helps. I hope that, you know, that wasn't too confusing and it didn't, you can kind of get your head wrapped around it. What you mustn't do is listen to some people that tell you that, oh, I get 100 sales a day from 100 people. It's unlikely. These are industry standard numbers in the affiliate marketing game. Get 100 people to this, 1% convert. And I'm talking about really good marketers, you know, that get 2 or 3, maybe 4 sales from 100 people, you know. Usually aim for 1 in 100, and so your job now is just get more people to this sales page, whatever the sales page that you're using, you know. But anyway, listen, I hope that helped. I hope you got some value from that. If you did, take a second, just give it a thumbs up. If you did like it and you want to subscribe to the channel, then please do. You know, there'll be a subscribe button below. Just click on that and remember to tick on the bell icon as well, so that anytime I release a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And like I said earlier, if any of this is confusing, none of it makes sense, and you need some stuff answered, then just leave it in the comments box below and I'll get round to answering it myself. You know, okay, once again, thanks for listening. If you're interested in this product I'm showing you here, or you want to get access to this download, you can get completely free access to this download. Really good book, actually. If this is your niche and you want to learn more about making money online, then I think you should have a look at this book. If that's for you, I'll leave a link below this in the description below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Until next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.